So you want to know about the machine. Let's talk about that. So I made a nice big long list of things to talk about because I got a lot of questions on, what is this machine? How do I make one? Where do I get all the parts? In this video, I plan to talk about all that. First off, the whole machine design, as you can see, it's based off of a design made by Full Line Automation. Bought it several years ago and just recently finished putting it all together. Really just the rails here. The rails here, lead screws, the couplers, I think, and the bearings. I think those are all, you can also probably see the X-axis up underneath there. Those all came from Fine Line Automation. As far as the extrusion, it was based on their design, but I actually modeled up my own version because in theirs they had the stepper motor coming out on the back side, and I didn't like that. I wanted to be up underneath and covered. So I extended this out. I think I used different brackets over here, different extensions. Maybe added the feet. They may have feet on it anyways, I don't know. I basically did all of that, and then the extrusion I ordered from 80/20. As far as motors and drivers, you can see here, Killing Technology. I bought these guys, I think with the drivers, you can see down here. Got the drivers, KL 4030, and then I got a 36 volt power supply and then the breakout board. Those all came from CNC4PC.com. I actually think I was smart back then, and I bought the 4-axis kit. I don't have the 4th driver on here, but the 4th-axis kit actually has all these same drivers and everything, so I can add that. I also have another spot on my board that I can add another motor. So from here, you can see too, I have drag chain that I had good intentions on installing, but because I got the machine all together, I have not put that together. You can also see too, I got the 4-pin connectors back here. Those are just like mic connectors, and the lines go up to each motor. So going around here, so from the breakout board, I got this guy for the spindle and for the coolant. There's 2 solid state relays in here. I got all this stuff from a big box store. If you try and do this yourself, don't get the one with the cheapo Chinese switch. Mine blew out, so I had to rewire this guy. Just go straight from the fuse to the relays. And those, so yeah, this is for the spindle and the coolant. Coolant being the vacuum for this. I got a desk deputy and the vacuum attached to it. This is the plug for it. And I also got the spindle, which is the router. That is right here. Craftsman Professional, just something I bought from Sears. I actually bought this because of the connector on the back. Let's see if I can get it. Ow. Get it undone. I bought this one because I like this, to where it was a quick connect where I can just take it off, do whatever, put it back together. I think that works. And as you guys saw in a previous video, I made this for the router. I got thicker material for the skirt. It seems to work a lot better. It's thicker, it stays, straight up and down. Oh, look at that, perfect segue. So take that out. on the router, I also got the Collets system. This was from Precise Bits. I think it might be precisebits.com. I don't remember exactly, but I'll try and put all the links in the description below to give you guys a little information on where I got stuff. This bracket, I got that from K2 CNC. You might be able to find that if you just search Google for K2 CNC, bracket, whatever. They might actually have changed their name, I think Velox or something like that. This, I guess, base plate or spoil board, some people call it. The fine line automation model doesn't come with it. I think they just come with a straight extrusion. But I decided to put this on there. I had to put all the keys, the little threaded keys, inside of the extrusion before I put it on there. I put the threaded inserts, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the threaded inserts, that's actually from the big box store. Actually, I got a pack right here, 5/16. I tried to make it all the same thread throughout the whole thing. So all of these guys, all of those guys, all of these guys, they're all 5/16, 18 thread. That pretty much, I guess I got the E-stop up here. That I can take down, move it around if I want. That's wired back to the breakout board. What else? I guess that's it. I got, goes down to the breakout board. So from the breakout board, I got the parallel port. You can see my super long cable goes all the way up to the computer, which goes behind everything, goes up to here. This is an old Dell. I think I got that off of Amazon a long time ago. I had to rebuild it once because it crashed. Which reminds me, I got this guy, pendant. That was a Kickstarter. But I haven't set it up again on Mach 3. We go here. Yeah, so Mach 3. I think it's just in the ports and pins. I might have to go update this. Here's the Precise Collets. Look for that. I think it came with a kit with everything. Let's see here. So yeah, I use Mach 3 to control everything. And then so do any modeling or the cam, I use Fusion 360. You guys might have seen that in a previous video I did for the vacuum skirt and everything. I feel like I'm missing something, but I can't think of it. But that's pretty much an overview of everything I have for the machine. I've got some other projects coming up too that I'm pretty excited about. I'm going to use this for. I'm looking at trying to do a CNC lathe pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll try and answer them. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.